Good morning, lovely souls. It's Wednesday, happy Wednesday. Today is going to be Meditation Wednesday rather than Meditation Monday. There has been things that I have needed to attend to, so better late than never. Here I am, and I hope you all had a wonderful eclipse experience with these very powerful energies that have been moving through. I know that I've noticed them at quite an extraordinary level actually, but this is kind of the physical and energetic side of what we experience on a daily basis now on this planet. We're becoming more accustomed to these huge waves of energy when they come through, but as we become accustomed to them, we also learn new ways of not just dealing with the world around us, but dealing with ourselves. And what really came through for the eclipse energy was the revealing of our shadow selves and how we interact with our shadow selves, our views and our attachments to it. Now, it's been a very common theme over the years to reject the parts of ourselves that we judge or deem to be bad, negative. And one of the biggest parts of, or one of the biggest aspects of this year has been the acceptance, the self-love, the embracing of those parts of our physical, mental, emotional and our spiritual selves, the journey that we're having on this planet. Just embracing it, loving it, becoming one with it, and then moving forward. So as we're still bathing in that eclipse energy today, just take a few moments. I know it's not the start of the week, but midweek's as good a place as any. Just take a few deep breaths. Breathe in through your nose, out through your mouth. And as you're breathing into your heart, as you're igniting your heart, become aware of yourself. Physical, mental, emotional, spiritual. And your spiritual field is enormous. It spreads for you, around you for miles and miles. Settle into the now moment. Become aware of you. Breathe into you. As you ignite your heart, feel your heart start to take charge. Feel yourself surrounded by this beautiful golden bubble of light. Now, the light that is shining from our heart centers has changed in color from the very pure white. There's a lot more gold mixed in now as this Christ consciousness begins to integrate with us, as we begin to step out and become aspects of this Christed field. That's how our energy and the color that resonates with our energy becomes. So breathe a golden white bubble of light all around you now. And this is a short meditation this morning to just embrace a part of yourself that you are maybe unhappy with, or maybe that you are uncomfortable with. It could be an aspect of you physically. It could be something that goes on within your mental processes. It could be an emotion that you are uncomfortable with, or it could be an energy within your spiritual fields that you believe needs raising up. Take a few moments now, as you are resting within your heart light, to tune into you, okay? Look through your physical body, your mental body, your emotional body, and your spiritual body. Breathe and relax into all of them. And as you do so, ask each aspect of you to reveal a part, a prominent part, that may be creating for you discomfort at the moment. You might be experiencing a physical illness. You might have a mental program that repeats itself like they do. They rush round and round, and they don't ever seem to process will go anywhere, and quite often we are clicked into these states by a period of stress or something that has triggered us. Just allow yourself to move into that. Or it could be your emotional state. Your emotional state could be triggered by happenings that are going on around you, by, say, another person or an incident in your country or in your town or in your sphere of existence. And then check out into your spiritual field. As you relax and breathe into them, they all become a beautiful golden white colour. Just breathe and relax. Now identify the part of you that is signalling to you the loudest. It might be a pain in your back. It might be a thought process that is shouting so very loudly. It could be an old emotion or a new emotion such as sadness or pain. Or it could be an energy that you sense or perceive in your spiritual field. Just identify which one is making the most noise. And when it has revealed itself to you, embrace that part of you. Send it golden light. Send it love. It might even appear to you as a version of yourself or another person or even a child. Approach that part of you now with your eyes closed and throw your arms around it. Send it as much love and as much healing and as much light as possible. Really feel the love from your heart pouring into this aspect of you, okay? Even if the energy doesn't belong to you, it's within your bodies and your fields, you've claimed some kind of responsibility for it. Embrace it with love. Breathe and relax and fill your fields with love, with golden light. Many of us are feeling once again at this moment, physical symptoms, experiencing cleansing, reactions to the energies that are around us. Love. Love, acceptance, grace, and harmony. Give these energies permission to embrace any aspect of you or you yourself that is feeling out of alignment at this time. And you're experiencing now the presence, or becoming aware of the presence of Lady Grace Elohim, who may appear to you as a beautiful silver light, sometimes almost perceived as iridescent silver snowfall. Give yourself permission to be blessed with grace. This is the energy that is now concluding, that is coming through very strongly. Grant yourself grace. Grace, self-love, all of the beautiful aspects of you. Allow them grace. So as you are sat here in this sacred space, embracing whatever part of you, or maybe even multiple parts of you, that are experiencing discomfort, Lady Grace Elohim, who may appear also as an angel to you, is now blessing those parts of you and you yourself with the highest energy of grace. So feel yourself from the soles of your feet all the way up your legs, your body, your arms, your head, your mental body, your emotional body, your spiritual fields, just completely now blessed with the energies of grace, the silver light of grace. Breathe it in. And breathe it out. And just gently feel the aspects of you that may have been experiencing discomfort. Just relax, let go. Or if they don't do instantly, then the process will just happen gently over a period of time. Now just be aware that the rest of the day now you will be embraced by the energies of grace, Grace Elohim. So just allow that into your bodies and fields as you slowly come back and open your eyes. Okay, so that was Meditation Wednesday. Meditation Wednesday with the energies of grace and the presence of Grace Elohim. That was a lovely addition. So tonight I will be online with my lovely friend Lavisa Altorn, and we will be presenting the workshop Unlocking Your Golden Master Wisdom. So if you've signed up, we're really looking forward to seeing you there. But if you haven't seen it and you fancy joining us, the details will be underneath in the text. Sending you all so much love and grace, and I will see you again on Friday for an Ascension update. Bye for now.